Hello, good evening students. Today we are going to discuss one more problem. This is from NCRT problem student group 16. They are saying what are the allotropes of sulfur. So, existence of any element in different form, any molecule in different form is known as allotropes students. They are saying draw the structure of S8 and S6. Okay. So if you talk about the allotropes student, okay. So allotropes means having the different form of the compound molecule. It is different form of elements. Okay, different form of the elements. Up they are saying allotropes of sulfur. They are asking what student allotropes of sulfur. So what are the allotropes of sulfur student? There are two allotropes are there student. First allotropes, if we talk about, this is the rhombic sulfur. This is rhombic sulfur. And another is there the student, that is also known as monoclinic sulfur. Monoclinic sulfur. So two allotropes is there, that is rhombic sulfur and monoclinic sulfur. Rhombic sulfur is also having that is S8, and this is also that is S8 only. Both is having the molecular formula S8. Now student, they are having, if you talk about the structure is packed structure. This will give the packed structure. This is known as puckered. Has a crown shape. So this is known as puckered. Puckered structure, puckered, and has crown shaped. Crown shaped. So both is having that is puckered ring structure. This is called puckered ring structure and has crown shape student. Crown shape. So let us see the structure of the S8 molecule student. So crown shape if you are doing student, so that is this is the crown shape we are going to do. This is the crown. Here is the sulfur atom student. This is sulfur, this is sulfur, this is sulfur, and this is sulfur. Now the next case will be also there student. Here will be the sulfur, here also will be the sulfur, and here is the sulfur. This is the, now here we can summarize in the spherical form. This is the sulfur, this is sulfur, this is sulfur, this is sulfur, and this is sulfur. So here student, you can see that is the bond length is 204 picometer. Okay, and here is bond angle is how much student? 107 degree. Okay, so this is crown shape of, this is also we can say that is crown shape of, figure is there, crown shape of, crown shape of S8 molecule. Okay, whether it is the monoclinic or the rhombic sulfur. Now in the questions they are also asking that is draw the structure of S8 and S6. Dear student, if you talk, there are so many allotropes of the sulfur is there. So if you talk about the S6, so it is the ring, ring structure. It is having the ring structure. Acquire, what acquire student? Acquire chair form. Okay, acquire chair form. Ring structure, acquire chair form. So dear student, you can see it out here. Sulfur is there student, and then again sulfur is there, and this is the sulfur. Here will be sulfur. Okay, this is sulfur, and what will be there student? This is sulfur, and this is also sulfur. Now you see how many sulfur are there? 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, and this is 6 sulfur are there. Here if you talk about the bond angle is how much student? 102.2 degree and 205.7 picometer, right? And this is the structure of S6, structure of S6 of allotrope of sulfur, allotrope of sulfur, allotrope of sulfur. So dear student, I hope it will be helpful to you, student. You can read out the slides also, student. The ground state form of sulfur at room temperature is orthorhombic sulfur. Room temperature orthorhombic, which transform to monoclinic sulfur when heated to 369 Kelvin. Okay. Both orthorhombic and monoclinic sulfur's molecule is solid, molecular solid, and the S8 ring in both form is puckered and has crown shape. So this is crown shape of the S8 molecule. Several other allotropes of sulfur contain 6 to 20 sulfur atom per ring. In cyclo S6, the ring adopt the chair form. So this is what is that is a chair form, student. Okay, S6 molecule. So this is all about the allotropes of sulfur, student. Thank you so much for watching, dear student.